Struggling to choose the best video editor for your content in 2025? We're going to compare Phant AI Video Maker and Capcut to see which tool helps you create stunning professional videos faster. We're going to break down their AI power against everything. Whether you are creating finance explainers, social media shorts, or YouTube videos, find out which app is the right investment for your time and creativity in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Let's be real. Great videos isn't just for fun, it's a financial necessity for your brand. But which editing app gives you the biggest bang for your buck? Today we are putting two heavyweights in a 1 minute ring, Phant AI and Capcut. So how do they stack up? Think of it like this. When it comes to what they are best for, Phant AI is best for speed and simplicity because it turns your text to videos in seconds, while Capcut is best for total creative control, precise editing, and effects and trends. Now, let's look at their editing style. That of Phant AI is AI driven. You write a prompt, the AI builds the scene, while that of Capcut is hands-on timeline. You drag, cut, and customize everything. When we look at their key strengths, Phant AI has mind-blowing AI effects, automatic object removal, and style transfer, while Capcut has a massive library, a huge collection of templates, music, and effects. Then, if you look at the learning curve, Phant AI's learning curve is quite easy. It's super easy, almost zero learning needed. It's perfect for beginners, while that of Capcut is moderate because more features mean a bit more to learn, but it is very intuitive. Lastly, let's look at the verdicts. You see, when it comes to Phant AI Video Maker, it's your creative co-pilot for rapid content creation, while that of Capcut is that it's your all-in-one studio for polished, trendy videos. So if you need to pump out professional looking videos for LinkedIn or quick explainers fast, then Phant AI is your secret weapon. It's like having a video editor on demand. But if you want to follow the latest TikTok trend, use custom transitions, and have granular control over every frame, Capcut is still the undisputed king. It is a Swiss Army knife of mobile editing. So which one wins, you might ask? Honestly, it's not a fight, it's actually a strategy. You can use Phant AI for speed and AI-powered magic and use Capcut for detailed creative projects. The best investment is a tool that saves you the most time, so why not try both? That's it for today. That's all for this quick tool breakdown. If this was helpful, smash the like button and subscribe for more tips to smartly grow your finances and your brand. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.